guys, what's up? We're back on our video, and today we're doing the night before the blizzard. And you guys probably have heard this game before. So my friend also did this, so I decided to do night before the blizzard. So let's get right into it. And it said put wood in the fireplace. Okay. Wait, no, that's the toilet. Let me close my house. Let's see. This is basically like Residence Mesca. Actually, we can see the opening. Whatever. It's basically like Residence Mesca. Actually, wood storage. Wood in the fireplace. Yeah. Turn on the TV. Okay, sure. Oh, Gatorade! Yeah, Gatorade! I don't even know. Listen to the TV. Actually, no one cares about that. Gatorade! Yeah, I juice. Come on, is there anything in here? More juice. I can have 2 juices. There must be like something else, right? Is that like a flashlight or something? Because I do not want to go in the dark. And I'm doing this solo. Come on, is there literally nothing in this house other than water? You got a plushie there. Nothing. Okay, that's it. Fireplace. Get wood from the outside firewood shed. Place wood in the fire. Okay, what if fire? Lit it. Okay. Prepare for the blizzard. What? What's the blizzard going to be? I need the. Wait, is that like a flashlight in this game? Because my friend totally just got a flashlight in this game. Sprint. Prepare for the blizzard. Blizzards actually suck. I basically have to put wood there. I have to put wood in here. No, I don't want to skip daytime. Skip prepare time. Prepare for the blizzard, I know. Bro, my stamina goes fast. Can I get 2? No, only 1. Prepare for the blizzard. Is the blizzard even coming? Where's the blizzard? This is why it's called night before the blizzard. And guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Because we're so close to hitting 40 subscribers. Why can't I put the wood? It's full. Okay, then I'll just put it here. It's full. I'll just put it here. Right before the blizzard. Yeah. There we go. This is annoying. Is it full? Yeah, it's full. Food storage. Food storage. Excuse me, game. Excuse me, game. Prepare for the blizzard. I think I can keep this wood for maybe later. Yeah. Oh, survive the blizzard, what? Oh no. Bro, I can't see a thing. I think the fire's like dying out. Yeah, the fire was dying out. I can't literally see a thing. Bro, is there a flashlight in this game? I literally can't see a thing. Bro, if I go outside, can I even see myself? Oh yes, I can. Bro, the blizzard's here. The blizzard is here. The blizzard is here. The blizzard is here. Ah! What? Peekaboo? What's peekaboo? You can't just scare me like that. Bro, where is the... Survive the blizzard, bro. I basically can't see a thing inside this house. We better have a flashlight. Bro, the blizzard. Bro, I need to get the wood. Bro, survive the blizzard? Of course. Of course, I had to close the door. Bro, I need to go to next to the fire. Next to the fire, I can only see. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going. Where is... Bro, it's so dark. Whoa! I made it to 1 a.m. at least. Bro, I can't see a thing. The fire. Is the fire dying out? Bro, what is there? Ah! Eternal cold. Bro, the blizzard. Oh no. I hear... Okay guys, that's going to be the end of our video. See you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!